Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a process video to play along with my gorgeous kit from Color Rush Studio. So this is my kit for May 2026, and it's full of all kinds of Simple Stories pink lemonade and exclusives and the cutest little shakers. I'm using them this time. I have so many things I want to use all at once, and that always happens with my kits. Let me show you my giant photo. It's a 4x6, guys. I'm not used to using these big photos. This is my son wearing watermelon glasses and his people at his wedding. So I thought I already matted it on some white texture cardstock from my stash. And I have this scrap of the back of this that I thought I would just go ahead and mat the photo on that so that my son's glasses really pop out. Then I grabbed a scrap of white cardstock, and I thought I would use this piece here. It is called Berry Sweet. And I thought I would do kind of like a 1/3, 2/3 kind of vibe. Let's see, like maybe, let's call it 5 inches. So that's more than 1/3, 2/3. Just work with me. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna plop that down on the bottom. Great. Then, in our Frazzles and Ribbons Exquise stuff, we have this black and white piece, and I used it on another layout feature in my son, so it's just my head that can be my little border. Then, oh, but wait, I cut out a bunch of the tags. You know how we get, I'll show you what I mean. I kind of liked this order, so let's go with this. And I'll just haphazardly plop them. You guys know these sheets. Where is one? You guys, I just had it because I was just cutting. These great pieces where you have a lot more going on one side, a little plainer on the other. And I was like, you know, I really want to use some of my tags. So we'll do that. Great. A photo. Oh, and my son is facing this way, so I'm going to have it on this side. Great. Then I might even pop it up just a little bit more. And then I have a large title. I'm going to use this acrylics, which reads Sweet Moments, but I wanted to read Sweet Moments, My Happy Big Fellas. And, sorry, daughter called, and while she called, I went ahead and matted my photo. So I'm going to use this cute trim to put it for my little dividing line because it looks nice. Then, oh, but wait, there's always more. I'm going to use the same trim to tie off little knots in 3 of my tags. And then this came around either the acrylic kit or around my new sewing template. So I'm going to use that on 2 because it matches so well. So I need to, it's going to read Sweet Moments, My Happy Big Fellas. Isn't that going to be so cute? So like a really big multi-font title. I think that would be really fun. Then after that, you guys, I'm just going to be tucking in my black and white fruits and these cute little fruity fruit pieces. I think that would just be so fun. I also, wait a minute. I don't know about this strawberry as well, but I do have some of these wood pieces. So I'm going to have them out with the idea that, here, I'll just go ahead and put all of these pieces here, that these are things I'm thinking of for different fun little fruity bits. I think that's so cute. It's just so cute. I also have, oh, but wait, of course there's more. I also have, I love that lemon, but I'm going to save that for main squeeze. I also have these cute acrylic strawberries. So many cute things. So I've got some homework to do to get all these pieces tacked down. I'm low-key thinking about getting out, where's my one template? Of getting out, is there this template. So this is a stitch template and just doing a couple of little crossy bits for extra oomph on a couple of the tag pieces because it'll be black and white and that's cute. I mean, just black thread. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm thinking about it. I also happen to have yellow thread out. Not sure yet, but this is one of those ideas I was having because I love the sewing template so much. Okay, let me get these pieces down so we can kind of get the lay of the land. Okay, I went ahead and got all of these pieces down, and it's already a very full layout. Look at how fun all of that trim is. I think it's cute. These bits are being held down with some liquid adhesive right now. So, excuse me. So I've got all of the Who's It, What's It's down. That we picked out so far. Now, the only other, you guys, I think this is hilarious, and it totally is hitting the vibe. I'm not going to need to put in my stitches because I have so much fabric, I think. So what I want to do now is just take a look. Guys, there's so many things to use. I want to take a look at some things. Now we've got these, and this would bring out the glorious look that he has of his chicken. I kind of like that. But you know what? I'm wondering, because we have a little pineapple here. And if it sticks up, like how do I, I'm going to redline tape that on like a little tab. I like that. I like the idea of bringing in some red over there. So maybe we'll look at a cherry. Yes. But then, oh, but wait, folks, we have got all of these fun things too. And I love, love, love these tabs. So if I'm thinking about putting yellow and red up there, I already have green. What to do? I clearly don't need to add a lot of other patterns because you know how I go off on this. Okay. This is our friend KJ right here. And we're going to go ahead and put this bit right there. I think that's cute. I like the idea of bringing in just one more little fruit. And the way I think I'm going to do that is I'm going to tack it down twice. I'm going to, I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but this is what's happening. Go ahead and, let's see. Oh, don't stick. Oh gosh, it's sticking. It's very sticky. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and kind of see if I can get in between here. You guys know how hard it is to get this peely apart on fabric. It's a pain in the tuchus. Come on. All right, so my theory is, I don't know if this is gonna work because it's really sticking and it's not letting me get my fingernail in there. So I'm going to go ahead and tab it right there. You don't have to watch that. It might be painful. I think I'll do it with both. That would be super cute. I'm not going to be putting much more, maybe a little bit of wordy bits. So let's see. The best day ever totally works. It was a wedding. So much fun. Yes, please and thank you. See, I'm also going based on the right size that these little words are. The little things, you're my main squeeze, wonderful life, best day ever. Let's see. Memories is good. Actually, they're so goofy. I like this smile big as well. I think we'll put smile big. So we'll go ahead and pop all of that up. Okay. Is there anything I want to use here? You know what? This happy here would be really cute over here amongst the tabs that we're going to put on. These fabric little tabs. That would be cute. It's like I don't even need to put anything else on. So let me go ahead, fight with my red line tape. This will be finished. I'll show you my finished layout. All right, my friends, that is this fun layout done. Now, I did just go ahead and pop that there. My little tabs finally cooperated with the red line tape. I love all the texture. I love that I have different dimension. I decided to leave those flat since the bits around it were upraised. So somehow it ended up having just a bit more punch because of the difference in all the heights. So that is my layout done. I will have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits. I do use an affiliate link. So if you're not into using affiliates, then go ahead and go to colorrushstudio.com and order your kits and subscribe and come over to our Facebook group, jump in, show us what you're creating with the kits. We do have a monthly challenge, which is a sketch challenge with a twist. So that's super fun. I'd like to see what you do. Is there anything else for me to tell you? I don't think so. I'm gonna have a few still shots to follow, and I will see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.